In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your iPhone as a computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your iPhone essentially into a computer. So the main thing that you have to do is connect it to an external display. This is optional, however, it is going to dramatically enhance the experience because of course you will be able to maximize the screen to mimic the desktop-like experience. So this will be done by using primarily a USB cable. So the easiest way to do this is to purchase a Lightning to HDMI cable. So all that you have to do is look for a cable like this one, Lightning to HDMI. You can find them on places like Amazon, and they will allow you to connect your iPhone to external displays, as you can see over here. A TV, a monitor, whatever it is that you are using. So you plug one end of the cable into the iPhone, and another one goes into your monitor on the HDMI port. There is no secret to this. Immediately upon doing this, the screen of your iPhone will be mirrored, and basically you are good to go. Now, if you want to mimic the true desktop-like experience, you can connect a keyboard and a mouse. Of course, I'm using the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse as examples here. However, you can look into alternative options that are much cheaper. Any Bluetooth compatible keyboard and mouse will work. Now, the problem with doing this is that unlike Samsung, you don't have a feature such as DeX on the iPhone. According to all the research that I did, there is no way to really mimic the true desktop experience. Samsung has DeX, which alters the way in which apps are ordered. You are going to have a system tray at the corner, the apps are going to be at the top, you will have a taskbar, but iPhone doesn't seem to have anything similar. Of course, if you open an app in landscape mode, it will still take up the full external display, so essentially you can mimic it as a computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use iPhone as computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.